Have you ever wondered what powers the internet, most of the world's supercomputers, and even the Android phone in your pocket? The answer might surprise you. It's Linux, and it's everywhere. What if I told you that you could use this incredibly powerful and free operating system right now? Stick around, because we're about to demystify Linux in the next 3 minutes. So, what exactly is Linux? At its core, Linux is an open-source operating system. Think of it like the engine of a car, but unlike the engines in most cars, this one is open for anyone to see, modify, and improve. It all started back in 1991 with a Finnish student named Linus Torvalds. He wanted to create a free alternative to the expensive Unix systems of the time, and he shared his project with the world. That spirit of sharing is the heart of open source. Now, you might be thinking, how is this different from Windows or macOS? Well, the biggest difference is choice and control. With Windows or macOS, you get one version. With Linux, you have hundreds of distributions, or distros, like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Each one offers a different look, feel, and set of tools, but they all share the same powerful core, the Linux kernel. It's like choosing from hundreds of different car models that all have the same reliable, high-performance engine. This flexibility is a huge advantage. Linux is known for being incredibly stable and secure, which is why it's the top choice for servers that run your favorite websites and the supercomputers, solving the world's biggest problems. For developers, it's a paradise of powerful command-line tools and customization. But don't let the command line scare you. Modern Linux distros have beautiful, user-friendly graphical interfaces, just like what you're used to. One common myth is that Linux is only for tech geniuses. That's just not true anymore. Installing it is easier than ever. You can even try it out without replacing your current system. It's a fantastic way to breathe new life into an old computer or simply explore a world of free, powerful software. So, why should you care about Linux? It's more than just an operating system. It's a gateway to understanding how technology truly works. It represents a future built on collaboration and freedom. If you're curious about coding, cybersecurity, or just want more control over your digital life, learning Linux is one of the best steps you can take. I hope this quick intro has sparked your interest. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.